Hey, dance family.
Hello.
We have made it back to the Carolinas from the TriState area. This past weekend, we spent time in Pennsylvania, in Delaware, and in New Jersey. In that order, we had a great time in all three places. And so we want to say thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for having us. And on Sunday, we did a workshop in New Jersey. So we want to go over the things in the workshop. As promised, we're going to show you all the stuff we wanted to cover. so the stuff we did cover and the stuff we wanted to cover, just so you have it. So when we come back, that we can finish off the stuff that we actually started. We did a ballroom session and a stepping session. So we're going to start with the ballroom stuff first, and then we're going to move on to the stepping section. So we're going to start with our ballroom. The move of choice was the walk easy. So we're going to go through the different ways that we do the walk easy. So here we go. 5, 6, ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
One more time for our timing.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3,
Here we go.
step
Walk
right.
easy.
12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, step back.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, step
The
left.
next one.
1, 2, 3, step
Just
right.
come out.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Come back. Walk
1, 2,
easy.
3, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, step back.
Ballroom
1,
up.
2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step
Switch.
right.
Walk easy.
12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, step back.
So we called it switch
1,
walk
2,
easy
3,
because
step
we
left.
switch positions.
1, 2, 3, step
So
right.
listen about.
1, 2, 3, step
Bring
left.
home.
1, 2, 3,
And
step
the last
right.
one.
1, 2, 3,
12,
6, 12.
Step back, come out.
1, 2, 3, step right.
And that's
1, 2,
it.
3,
That is
step
our
left.
4 walk easies that we wanted to go over the other day. So we did the first 3 ones were the easy one. The hard one was the walk easy from the left hand side. You know, but I think we got at least the 3 of them with some people. You know, everybody seemed to got the first 2. So there you have it. So next time we're back, we'll finish off the last 2, and then we'll have something new for you. Now we're going to go over the stepping portion. And so here we go. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. And that is the first part. So we got halfway through the first part. If we come back, we'll finish the first part. Then we have a second part to go along with it. But that is what we covered in stepping. So we thank you for attending. We thank you for your time and for having us. We had a slight mix-up the other day for the people who came late. We always promise everybody in our workshops that we will do our best to dance with everybody. If you are not there at the workshop, then you have to wait till all the workshop participants are done to get your dance in, because, you know, we got to reward the people who come on time. And so to reward the people who came to actually support the workshop. Everybody who asks for a dance deserves a dance, but we got to keep them in the proper order. But again, thank you for having us. We had a great time. We had a wonderful time. And we look forward to seeing you on the next workshop.
It's the dance for me.
See ya.